I'm Erin and this is Ethan, and we're the owners of the Highway Brewing Company here in downtown West Branch.
And we were just voted the best brewery in Michigan, which is pretty amazing since it all started with me dumping my homebrew down my college dorm room drain.
I mean, you've definitely improved since then.
From experimenting in my dorm room to this 3-barrel system, I'm still just as excited about creating new recipes and exploring flavors.
But here's what's really exciting. Our growing downtown community just got approved by the state of Michigan for a social district.
Means we can take our beer directly to the streets, literally.
Picture this: markets, festivals, community events, and us with a sidewalk bar serving cold craft beer.
We've got our sidewalk seating, but now we want to add a sidewalk bar, a real hangout space, so that we can serve more people during busy downtown events.
That's where the Coldbreak Jockey box comes in. We need to get our beer from our taps to the people.
And carrying pints one at a time just isn't going to cut it.
Trust me.
Just like highways bring people together, beer brings people together.
And we want to keep doing that right here in West Branch. To the Highway Brewing Company, best brewery in Michigan.
Hopefully soon, the best sidewalk bar in Michigan. We win this Jockey box.
Cheers to that.